Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another exciting review for you guys. So in this video I am going to unbox this amazing Toastmaster sandwich maker. So this sandwich maker makes 4 toasted sandwiches halves. No, it is non-stick and it also has locking lid latch, power ready lights. But today I'm not gonna make sandwich in it. We will do something different, so please stay tuned and watch till the end. And if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to unbox this today and we will use this and we will make something special in it, so which is not sandwich. Okay guys, so we got this booklet for the instructions and everything. I already unboxed and unwrapped the sandwich maker. So the brand is Toastmaster, and if you guys want to buy this product, you can go ahead in my description link and check the link there. So I'm gonna put the mess away. Okay guys, so I opened the box. I removed all the packaging and all the wrapping from this sandwich maker. So here the sandwich maker looks like. It is made of plastic and there is a part we can wrap our cord after using it, so it's very convenient and we don't make our mess for the cord and stuff. So I'm gonna open this and see how it looks like from inside. So it has non-stick coating inside it, so if you make our eggs, our sandwiches, our meat, we can make literally anything inside this sandwich maker. So I am making some yummy cakes inside this sandwich maker, but you can also make eggs, you can also roast your vegetables, like grill your vegetables. You can also make some yummy and crispy sandwiches, and you can also grill your meat. So because if I buy any product, I see how many ways I can use the product. So I am going to make some yummy cakes in it. So for making the cakes, I'm using very simple ingredients in it. So I just beat 1 egg in it. I'm gonna add in it, and after that we will add a little bit of sugar, not too much, just a little bit, and we're gonna mix it. I am using vanilla syrup in it, just 1 tablespoon, and our flour in it. So just 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it well. After that, just 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We will add some melted oil, melted butter in it, and the last ingredient is milk, which I warm it. So I'm adding some, then I will mix it, and then I will see if I need more. I will add more in it. For this recipe, I'm also adding just a little bit of baking soda in it. Alright guys, so our cake batter is ready. It's not very thick and it's not really thin. So I'm gonna use this today to make some yummy chocolate. Alright guys, so if you want, you can just grease this area just a little bit. I'm just greasing it so my cakes just do not stick inside it, but this is non-stick, but I'm just greasing it just in case. After that, we will add our mixture in it. Again, I'm going to show me how the mixture looks like. So just add in it. Alright guys, I just plug in the wire into the wall socket now, and I just logged it, and already I can see 2 lights here. Alright guys, so it's been 1.5 minutes and you can see all the steam coming out of the sandwich maker. I'm going to unlock this and see how they looks like, because I can smell some amazing aroma. Oh my god, they are looking absolutely delicious and so much good. And as you guys see, the process for making the cakes were so easy and so satisfying. They are very quick. All you need to make just a simple cake dough. Oh my god, they are so fresh, they are so moist guys. So I'm gonna make some more. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.